Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Mobile Legends and signing into the exact account with the security lock. Once in, tap your profile, then Settings, then Account and Security. This directs you to lock options and linked methods. Make sure you already have at least one verification method linked, email, phone, or a social login, because you will need it to reset or reauthorize. If you lack links, add one now so recovery codes or verification messages can reach you and proceed to the next step. Now verify the lock. Choose Security Lock and tap Manage Lock. The game will ask you to confirm identity via your linked email, phone message, or social account. Follow the on-screen prompts to receive a code and enter it. Once verification succeeds, pick Reset Lock to set a new PIN or disable if you no longer want a lock. You should create a memorable but secure PIN and optionally relink an additional method to prevent future lockouts. Make sure to record recovery info safely. Finish by confirming the change and immediately sign out, then sign back in to test the new lock behavior. This ensures everything is synchronized. If you did not receive a verification code, check spam folders, SMS settings, and any carrier or app blocks. Sometimes delays occur. If verification still fails, gather account data, UID, device model, timestamps, and contact Moonton support through the in-game help or official support channel. They can lift or reset the lock after verifying ownership.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.